All right, so for this example, we are going to factor out the GCF of 5x squared plus 35x. What I want to do when I'm looking at this is I want to think about what is the biggest thing that divides the two numbers 5 and 35. They are both divisible by 5. Next, I want to think about what is the biggest power of x that will divide both the x squared and the x. The biggest power that divides both of them is just the x to the first. So I can take out a 5x from both of these terms. Now what we're essentially doing is dividing out this 5x to get it on the outside of the parentheses. To figure out what goes on the inside of the parentheses, I can either think about what would have to fill in these two blanks so that if I distribute the 5x back in, I get 5x squared and 35x. The other way to think about this, the other way to do this is to divide both terms, the original terms, by the GCF. And what that leaves us, for the first term, the 5's cancel out and x squared over x is just x. Then for the second term, the x's cancel out and 35 divided by 5 is 7. Whoops. Now if I want to check my work, I can distribute this back in. 5x times x is 5x squared. 5x times 7 is 35x.